Welcome to Resta Fish Channel.
Halo, assalamualaikum Tante Bosis. Apa kabar pian semua? Semoga kabar pian semua sehat dan bahagia. Nah, kali ini Ulun Resta Fish Channel memindahkan ikan ranjau ulun yang sebelumnya ada di parkiserium untuk ulun pindahkan ke akuarium yang di dapur dengan ukuran 120 cm. Dan ulun setting ulang dengan settingan natural scape atau ala-ala Iwagumi. Dan untuk akuarium partisinya ulun ganti dengan isi ikan-ikan predator seperti arwana, Oscar, dan lain-lain. Oke Tante Brosis, ikutin terus video ulun kali ini. Namun sebelum mulai, angka baiknya klik tombol subscribe, like, comment, and share channel ini agar ulun semakin bersemangat dan memberikan informasi mengenai dunia perikanan di Kalsel. Selamat menonton. Assalamualaikum. Bos, jangan lupa like, share, comment, and subscribe.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna.
Oke Tante Brosis, sampai di sini dulu video kali ini. Apabila ada kesalahan informasi yang ulun berikan, bisa pian tulis di kolom komentar. Sampai ketemu di video berikutnya. Ulun dulu pamit. Assalamualaikum.